The safest and most profitable way to make money is using two-step marketing. So it's very simple, and yet there's lots of different ways you can do it, and you can, it's like an art form, so to say. But in the first step, you're selling a low-cost or a no-cost kind of widget of some kind. You're making them a low-cost or no-cost offer, and you're not trying to tell them too much. You're educating them just a little bit, and you're making them feel like they came to you. So it could be a free report offer. It can be a low-cost offer or whatever. But that's the very first step. It's an introductory kind of thing. They think that they came to you. That's the perception. People hate to be sold, but they love to buy. So in the first step, you're just doing all you can just to attract a highly qualified prospective buyer. And then in the second step, you're bringing out the big guns. Now that you've got their attention and interest, now you're in a position to show them how you can give them even more of what they desire. So now there's a lot of different ways to use two-step marketing, but in a perfect world, you are making them a low-cost offer. When people pay, they pay attention. It's a nice little cute little saying. But look, we teach two-step marketing to all of our clients. It's something we've been doing for many, many years. The first time that my wife Eileen and I ever succeeded with two-step marketing, about 30 years ago, we brought in 160,000 brand new customers within a few short years. So think about that. 160,000 brand new customers. We ultimately made millions and millions and millions of dollars, and it is the safe way because you can spend less money then. You're making them an initial offer, and sometimes the price of that initial offer then helps to offset some of your advertising costs. It brings you a very highly qualified prospective buyer, and it sets the stage for future business, and it makes them feel like they're the ones who sought you out. People like that. They want to feel empowered. They want to feel like it was their decision. So this is one of the 12 pillars that we teach in our stay home and sell method. So if you're one of our clients, pay very close attention to everything we have to say about two-step marketing. It will change your life if you've never used it before. When you use it with all of the other 11 pillars that we go over, that's where you get the biggest bang for your buck, so to say. But if you're looking for the safest and most profitable way to make money, you're never going to find anything like two-step marketing that works any better than that does. So use all of our methods. If you're not one of our students and you want to know more about what we're doing, click the link below. We are dedicated and passionate to helping people with our methods, which are more about sales facilitation than selling. There's never any cold calling, never any high pressure, never any rejection or any of the headaches and hassles that you get with a normal sales type of structure. You're only dealing with the very best prospects that come to you already pre-sold, and the way that they do that is through two-step marketing. So look, this may be the first time you've ever heard of two-step, and yet you've really been subjected to it for a long time, depending on how long you've been, how old you are and that kind of thing, because so many marketers use this. They have an introductory offer of some kind. It's, many times it's a low-cost offer. That's the way we recommend it. Or, it could be a no-cost offer, but it does something to pre-qualify, shifts the power a little bit, makes people feel like they're the ones coming to you, they're the ones seeking you out, and then that it lays the groundwork for all of the future business that you do with them from that point forward. So when mixed with all of our other methods, it gives you the kind of power that others dream of. And here's that power in a great visual analogy that I like. Just my favorite, really. Do this correctly, mixing two-step marketing with all the other 11 pillars that we teach, and you'll have the best prospects practically standing in line with money in hand, ready to spend it with you. The only people that you're talking to are the ones that are eager and excited about talking with you, and you won't be facing any of the problems that other people are forced to deal with every single day. So Thanks a lot for listening to this. If you're not one of my clients and you want to know more about what we're doing, click on the link below. If you are one of my clients, God bless you. I'm very grateful for you. Thank you, and bye for now.